cedis or 7,000. If you are wondering how people make money from their smartphones or PC, finish this video and you also have a system that is working for you. Okay, this is just a small account that I'm using to demonstrate the strategy for you. If you have never made money with crypto, this will take you from $10 to $1,000 just after implementing my strategy. Okay, so we are going to be trading futures on Binance. If you are not from Ghana, you can use Bybit, KuCoin or OKX. The strategy works on all platforms. The first thing that you need is to get a verified Binance account and load it with a minimum of $10. Once you have the account, now you go to a website called investing.com. After watching this video, if you still have any questions, you can click the first link in the video description, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp, right? So we'll go to a place called economic calendar. Okay, we'll go to economic calendar here. Alright, so for economic calendar today, this is the news that we are currently having. These news are not like huge impact news. We only have this one from United States. That is a high impact news, so we can take a trade today. But if we click on this week we have powerful news. We have news like United Kingdom, this thing. Okay. Initial jobless claims is the only, and CPI, they are the only important news this week. So basically we can go ahead and take a trade today. So now I'll move to the second website or the third website, that is CoinMarketCap, right? We go to CoinMarketCap. This is a new strategy that I'm about to show you that people don't know. So now this is a website that tells us everything that is currently happening in the crypto market. It's just like Forex factory of cryptocurrencies. Basically, anytime that I want to trade from Monday to Friday, I'll come to these two websites. That's investing.com for fundamentals. The fundamentals are news events that control the market direction, but the technical analysis is your own view of the market. So we all know that from yesterday to now, Bitcoin has been consolidating. And the third rules of cryptocurrencies: if Bitcoin is consolidating, the alternative tokens, they do what? They depreciate in value. They try to fall, they fall. But if Bitcoin is rising, the alternative tokens will also rise. Any coin apart from Bitcoin is an alternative token. You get it? So this coin is an alternative token. This coin is an alternative token. We have what we call fiat currencies. So the fiat currencies are like USDT. They are pegged with the dollar. So any currency we call a fiat currency is pegged with a particular jurisdiction currency. Okay. So we have Solana being an alternative token. We have this one, alternative token, XRP, Dogecoin, also they are all alternative tokens. The strategy that I want to share with you guys today is called the Ethereum moving average strategy. So this was the trades that I shared. That was on Saturday evening. There was an arrest on the Telegram CEO, and when they arrested him in France, the market dropped from this level to this. So all these things are very important when I say fundamentals. So the fundamentals control the direction of the market no matter what. What I'm doing right now, what I'm showing you right now, is called the technical analysis. Me using my view of the chart to analyze or predict the direction of the market is called technical analysis. But fundamentals, these are news events that control the direction. So for the fundamentals, no one can predict fundamentals. We just have to anticipate. But technical analysis, just looking at this chart right now, we can say that Tone or Telegram token is currently going down because of the negative news. Sometimes we can have negative news and the market will still go up, or we'll have positive news and the market will go down. So it's not every time that the market will follow the news. Okay, so the next thing is for me to do what? Click here, then change it to Ethereum. We are going to be using the strategy on Ethereum. It works on only Ethereum. If you have been watching my videos, you see like I have strategy for almost all the major tokens like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Bitcoin, and other Matic. Okay, so we'll do what? We'll click on .p here. So I want you to observe something. Have you seen here I only selected crypto because we only trade crypto? Some of you, I don't understand whether you want to do multitasking in making money. You can never be successful trying to do everything at the same time. For example, if you want to make $10,000, you should learn a skill that will help you make $10,000. Don't go and learn how to do this, then you come and learn how to do this, how to do this. At the end of the day, you make $0. Okay? So if you want to make $10,000 a month, you can either start drop shipping, or you can even start something like affiliate marketing, crypto trading, forex trading, YouTube videos. Once you are now successful in that part, then you move to the next part. But don't try to do all these things at once. You won't get anywhere. So the reason why I'm selecting Binance is because my money is in Binance, right? So you ask yourself, if you are trading on Bybit, you select Bybit when you are doing your technical analysis because of the position sizing. If you are trading on OKX, MaxZ, all these places are the exchanges. In Forex, we call them brokers. So you select the exchange that you are using. So because I'm using Binance, I'll select Binance. If you were using Bybit, you select Bybit. So let's select Binance here. So right now the chart is in 4-hour time frame, meaning all the candlesticks have taken like 4 hours to form. All the candlesticks. So each candlestick that you are seeing here have taken, I know those who are in my VIP community knows this already because I've given you a PDF that contains chart patterns and everything. Do you get it? Now let's add the strategy, right? So to add the strategy, I'll just go to indicators here. Let's go to indicators. So we are supposed to add exponential moving average, then we edit it to period 21 and change the color. So I'm going to be editing the moving average and changing it to, okay, so let me just get it done. Okay, we have this moving average. So the length you make it 21. Remember, only trade this on Ethereum in the 2-hour time frame. Ethereum in the 2-hour time frame. So we have 21%. Have you seen it? 21. Period 21. The style. We are going to make sure we change it to like yellow. Okay. We go with the third tick one. Then you just confirm. Okay. This is how it's supposed to be. Now we are going to use a confirmation exponential moving average. You need to be having two moving average. So the last one we are going to use 50 EMA. 50 EMA. So we click again, then we'll double click on it this way. Okay, now ask yourself, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to input the levels here. Then we have what we call 50 EMA. Okay, so we enter 50 EMA here. Okay, let's enter 50 EMA. Then we'll move to the styling section. We change it to a color like green. Let's change it to green. Okay, green will do. We go to the third tick. Then you click on OK. Then you confirm. So we move to the time frame. So with the time frame, we go with 2-hour time frame, right? As I requested. So we go to 2-hour time frame. Anytime the yellow is below the candlesticks, you are going to be buying. So anytime we have the yellow and green below the candlesticks, you are going to be buying. So in a day you have two chances, and you are going to be using 2-hour time frame. 1:3 ratio. 1:3 ratio. Anytime this particular yellow, the period 21, if it's below the candlesticks, and the green too, the 50 period is also below the candlesticks, you are going to be buying. But if the green candle is above the candlesticks, if the green period is above the candlesticks, you are going to be selling. So if we have this green being above the yellow and also above the candlesticks below, you are going to be selling. Simple as that. Now for us to move to the next part, we are going to do what? We are going to install our Binance trading account. So we have our Binance trading account. Let's just try and install it here. Okay, I'll try and install trading panel. Okay, then we'll click this way, go to our trading panel. So if you are trading on Binance, you just select Binance here. If you are trading on OKX, you select OKX. For now, this is the crypto tokens they are currently having. So I will select Binance because I'm trading on Binance. Then I'll just click on connect. Okay. Then I'll confirm. So you can see I have confirmed, and this is my capital in Binance, 447 USDT. That's my equity, my money in my Binance futures account. That they are only sharing the money in my futures account. That's not the money in my Binance. They are only giving me the account balance that I've moved to my futures. So now that we have the account loaded, you can see Binance. This is my account here. We have UMC account, meaning this in features account. If you have money in your spot, you can click here, but we don't trade spot, we only trade features. And for now I don't have any position, so I'll just close here. Then what I'll do is I'll use the strategy on Ethereum. We are saying that if these moving averages are above the candlesticks, you are going to be selling, and if the moving averages are below the candlesticks, you are going to be buying. And you also need to ask yourself, right now, is the market bullish or bearish? So you always ask yourself this question. Then the next part is you also go and check the direction of Bitcoin. So before we enter the trade, let's go and check the direction of Bitcoin. Then after that, I'll teach you position sizing and the entry level. So how to add your stop loss and take profit. So just search for BTC.P, right? Then you select it here. So once you select it, this is the current market condition for BTC. So looking at BTC here, we can see Bitcoin is in an uptrend. Bitcoin is currently in an uptrend here, but because of this major level, we'll have a retracement back. But if you see something like this, you can decide to enter a long position, but make sure your stop loss is very wide, because right now we are having an uptrend on Bitcoin. So if we start from here, then we'll put them, you can see we are in an uptrend. Okay, so I will just go back to Ethereum. Let's go back to Ethereum. So you type in ETH again, ETH.P. So we are going to be buying, right? Anytime the moving averages are below the candlesticks, you are going to be buying. And in a day, you have two chances. If you lose your first chance, then the second chance, you can trade it on New York session. If you lose it, then don't trade again. So now what I have to do is I just have to add my price prediction tools, right? So I'll go and add my price prediction tools. Okay, something like this is going to be a downtrend, huge one, but let's follow Bitcoin direction. This is an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend. So what I'll do is I'll click here, price prediction tool, go for the long position here. If you are thinking of selling, you go for short position. So we are thinking of buying because the candlesticks are below the moving averages. So I'll drag it to the entry level. After dragging it to the entry level, remember we are using the 2-hour time frame. We make sure we target 1:3 risk reward ratio. So with the 1:3 risk reward ratio, my stop loss can be at the nearest resistance zone. So this is how our trade will look like. If you are new to my channel and you don't understand what we are doing, go to my playlist on how to become an expert on Binance or crypto trading, then you go and watch it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is my verified account. I have 2 backups account and this verified account, so make sure you follow me there. Okay, so we go back to the trading. Now we are going to enter a long position. Our stop loss is currently at 2,609. So I'll just double click here to calculate my position size. So this one is my real account. So let's go back to the 44 again. 447, right? Then we are risking 3% on this trade. Okay, we have our stop loss, our take profit here, where we want to exit the market if the trade is going well, then where we want to exit if the trade is not going well. So the stop loss will help us exit the market if the trade is not currently going well, and the take profit will also help us exit the market if the trade is going well. So for example, we are thinking of buying, right? So I don't advise you take the trades on Bybit, on TradingView here. Okay, you can see here, don't take the trades here. Always use your smartphone to take the trade. So I click on buy. So after clicking on buy, you see they are saying I should enter a quantity of 0.12. So you have a quantity of 0.12. Okay, now we have our stop loss and take profit. So this is where our take profit will be. So our take profit, they are saying, is $3,069. So we enter $3,069 here, $3,069. Then we have our stop loss price. So our stop loss price is around here, 2,619. So you have $2,619. Then we'll do what? We click on buy position. So this is a market order. So have you seen we have placed the trade here? So the trade will appear in the positions around this particular place. Okay, let me just see what I can show you guys. So this is where the trade is currently at. This is the quantity. I've added my stop loss and take profit. If you want to close the trade, you can just click here to close the trade. If you have any questions on how to do this again, you want a one-on-one mentorship, you can click the first link and join the Telegram group.